this your car over here?
No.
All right, would you come over here with me?
Where?
Over in this lane.
For what?
So, we're doing an investigation right now. Apparently somebody walked out with a...
Car, put it in a random car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me.
Okay, would you come over by the car with us?
Whose car is it?
What do you mean?
Whose car is it?
I don't know.
Me neither.
Okay. All right. So where's all your stuff you took out of the store? And
I just put it in a random car that was open.
In a random car that was open?
Yeah.
For what?
What do you mean for what? Because y'all was coming.
Okay, so you just put all the stuff in a random car you didn't know?
Yeah, it's a game I was playing.
Okay.
Yeah.
What for?
Just for the hell of it.
Okay. You got any ID on you?
No.
All right.
I left it in the car.
Which car?
The random car. I don't know what car it was.
What color was it?
Silver.
Silver?
Gray? Something like that.
So you left your ID in some random car?
Yeah. My whole bag. All my shit.
All right, makes sense.
What kind of bag do you have? What kind of purse is it?
I think it's a Michael Kors. Can you please not stand behind me? Because you make me nervous. That's the whole time. Were you were?
Yeah, he's in a car.
Well, I'll be damned. What was your question?
What kind of purse did you have?
It's a Michael Kors purse. Can you go get it for me?
Okay.
What kind of vehicle were you driving?
It's like gray or silver or something.
What kind of make? Model?
I don't know.
You have no idea what kind of car you were
No,
driving?
because y'all were coming and I just ran up to the car and put it on. It's a game that we play. It's called 21. It's basically like you go and steal all the shit that you can steal and then you get out without getting caught.
So
well, I did it one other time than this time, but I got caught this time. So now I got to figure out where my purse is and where my merchandise is because now I got to give all the merchandise back to Walmart.
Well, it's not really a game.
Yeah,
It is a game.
It's theft.
To you,
is what
that's
it is.
theft.
It's fun too. It's really fun.
Oh, going to jail is fun. Okay.
Well, I suppose. Am I going to jail?
Well, we'll see how much stuff you took.
It's a lot of shit.
It's your
But my
boyfriend's
boyfriend
car?
doesn't know that I steal.
Okay.
And he doesn't know that I put all the shit in the car neither.
Okay.
So, yeah, we'll be really in trouble with him, but that's the
So
thing.
what kind of car is it?
I don't remember, because it's a rental.
What color?
We just got the rental car. What
I
color?
thought you said it was someone random.
Yeah, I know. I lied to you. Yeah, that's my boyfriend's car. He rented the car, and he was shopping, and I had found all the shit that I wanted because they told me to play 21, and my boyfriend's older than me, so he doesn't play that shit. And I started playing the game. This is my first time playing the game, and I put the shit in the back of the car, and I saw you guys coming, so I walked off.
Right now, I need to figure out how much dollar value you stole from Walmart.
Probably a lot, because I took a lot of shit.
Okay.
So basically, you got to put everything in the cart and ring it up and find out the value of it, and then what's the next move?
And then depending on the dollar amount, is if you go to jail or not.
Well, I'm pretty sure I'm going to go to jail because it's a lot of shit.
We good?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, it just fell out. Look at there.
Gives a fuck anyway. It's just fucking material shit. Okay, wow. And she fucking stole from Walmart. Woo-hoo. Roll the window down. It's hot.
I was told to roll them.
Well, can you take this off of me?
No.
Oh my god.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Well, that's interesting.
Yep.
Interesting.
Glass
Nice.
pipes. Oh, nice.
And then, if I had to guess,
Grinder.
no,
Okay.
we got white crystals.
Hey.
We got white crystals, bubble pipe, and a safe.
Let me see.
Two.